we have two divs. If we add some margin parent to the purple div and some margin top to the white div, do you think both margins will work together? If you said yes, you might not know CSS margin well enough. So stick around and see how this actually works. Let's say we have two simple div elements in our HTML. The first purple div has a margin parent of 100 pixels, and the second white div has margin top of 50 pixels. You might expect a total gap of 150 pixels, right? But if you check with a ruler, you will see only 100 pixels of space. What's happening here? This is tied to margin collapsing. When two block level elements in a normal flow are stacked vertically, their margins collapse into one. Basically, the larger margin wins and the smaller one is annual. So in our example, 100 pixels is bigger than 50 pixels, so only 100 pixels is visible. If I change the white div's top margin from 50 pixels to 150 pixels, guess what? Now you see 150 pixels of space because it's became the bigger margin overriding the purple div's 100 pixel margin. But the moment the white div's margin is bigger, that bottom margin on the purple div effectively disappears. We should consider an important note here. This margin collapsing phenomenon only occurs when elements are in normal block flow, meaning their parent isn't set to display flex or display grid. If the parent uses flexbox or grid, margin collapsing doesn't happen and both margins will apply because flexbox and grid handle spacing differently. What means? If you add a container div to our divs and set this container to display flex or display grid, so now both margins are work. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.